Katie! What's the matter, Katie?
What is this? Where am I? How did I get here?
Hello, my brother.
Zach.
Take it easy, mate. We're here to help you.
Help me with what? What is going on?
We're here to take you back home.
Now what is that supposed to mean?
We know what happened with you was cruel, ill-timed, and unacceptable. So now, we're here to help you bring you back to life. However, what you won't know is that someone is waiting for you, by your bedside.
So why wait? Step in.
Please don't leave us, Daddy. We love you.
Who? What? What happened? Where am I?
Hello?
Orange?
What? Did you think I was dead?
What has happened to your face? You look so unrecognizable.
No time to explain. I'll tell you how I got here. Recently, I've just been out at a rehabilitation center, and do you know how long? Since October 2023. I didn't tell anyone I was in rehab and apologized to the public until now.
Wait, so your death was actually made up the entire time?
Exactly. I guess your family doesn't know about it yet. But, when it comes to the bad piggies, things would so easily start to act like there's a mafia war going on. And the bad piggies are targeting you, and your family, and want to initiate the ultimate revenge against Naira Jahaza and even your own home. Face it, Chuck. The threat is real. If you don't act fast, things will fall apart. It is time to act, ASAP.